In this chapter, I emphasize three areas: college, career, and citizenship. I call these the common core consequences of conventional education. I talk about how the consequences of alienation in school are costly and far-reaching. I make the point that alienation and disengagement from school is something that impacts all students. Alienation from school can diminish the performance of kids not only in the classroom, but also in their careers and later on in life as citizens. In terms of career, because education often puts so much emphasis on academic subjects, kids lose sight of themselves. And being in touch with yourself is critical for developing yourself and have a successful life and career. Finally, I do make the point that citizenship is of the utmost importance. Traditionally, we think of school as something to help us get a good education and then a good job. But citizenship is part of our responsibility for maintaining the social environment that gives us our jobs. So I'd like to wrap this chapter up by just emphasizing that what I call alienation from school, which is the emotional detachment that students experience from the schooling experience. It has personal as well as social consequences. And if we want the most of our young people to fulfill themselves as well as their obligation, I would even say, to society, that we need to have an experience in school where they learn to embrace this responsibility. And I find that that is absent far too often. And so what we want our young people to do is be able to find a meaning as well as purpose, not only in school, but also in life.